Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's move up to the second from the left button. When we tap here we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings button, so let's begin to open them. And now at the third position we have logo watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to camera to take a photo to see how this watermark looks like at the real one. Now let's move to left side to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how my picture looks like with watermark in left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it to see shot on S95 Pro DOOGEE Auto Intelligent Camera. And of course when we don't need it we have to move back to camera, then left button here, settings, and tap to logo watermark. So for now when we take another picture it should be not visible at it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.